In this video, I'm going to teach you how to export Microsoft Planner to PDF. In order to do that, you first need to head over to planner.cloud.microsoft. So from in there, just proceed to click on the sign in. So you need to have a Microsoft team account or an organization account in order to do this because Microsoft Planner is only available to organizations and not on the personal plan. To proceed to sign in right here. Once you have done that, you can proceed to head over right here into your actual planner. Here is my planner right there. So just choose right here the planner that you wish to export. On my case, I'll choose right here this simple plan. Click on it and here it is right here. Now if you want to export it into a PDF, make sure to click onto the plan name right here or to this drop down button. In here you can see these options to export this. So what we can do is we first need to export this plan to Excel. Click on this option that we can see right here. Once you have done that, the plan will be exported onto the Excel. Now, the next thing you need to do is to export this Excel into a PDF or convert it. Head over to a new tab and input right here XLSX to PDF. Once you're there, click onto this first icon, which is the I love PDF, and in here, click on this select Excel files. So you can also directly do it on your Excel itself by actually adding it right there. Now click on the select. Now add right here the file, click on open and upload it right here. So click on this convert to PDF. Then this will convert this particular file to your PDF and you can proceed to download it. So click on this download and it will be recognized as a PDF instead of an Excel. You can proceed to click onto this plan in order to open it. You should be able to see it right here. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.